This is the truth that most people don't realize. 90% of what Iman Gadzhi, Sebastian Gurdjieff, Alex Hormozy and other influencers are telling you will not actually make you successful. When Iman Gadzhi talks about the importance of expensive watches to be able to have a conversations with rich people, that's actually not true. He makes his money from his SMMA business, everything else is just lifestyle. And lifestyle doesn't matter because you can have totally different beliefs and still be successful at the SMMA or any other business. You can do the business part without having a great watch or any sugar coating that these influencers talk about. For that matter, you will actually be more successful without paying attention to their lifestyle or personal views. Actual smart business people understand this and they will not be interested in you because of your lifestyle or what type of watch you wear. You will be able to impress and attract only dumb people with that stuff. When you actually think about it, I don't think there is any billionaire that cares about brand clothing and what type of watches other people are wearing or what type of car you are driving. Only thing that matters is being focused on your business and being focused on your business. For example, when you scroll down to Iman Gadzhi's earlier content when he actually talked about SMMA business and how he runs it, that's where the real knowledge is. Obviously, these videos don't get as many views because people are not actually interested in doing the boring work and getting out of their comfort zone to talk to clients or hire people or do cold calls. People are more interested in the little tips on how to dress and what type of watch to wear or how to get a trophy girlfriend. But unless you create a product or service that solves a problem, you will not become rich ever. 90% of what makes these influencers successful is the work ethic of doing the boring work. It doesn't matter what you do, it will get boring. Even Elon Musk flying rockets is boring 90% of time. It is just straight up math and engineering problems that he has to do. Now imagine Elon Musk making videos about the math equations or engineering problems they have to do on daily basis. No one will be interested because it is boring. Watching videos of these influencers is interesting. Creating videos yourself is boring. If you really want to create something from zero that makes you money, you will have to spend at least 3 to 5 hours daily doing the boring work without any distractions, at least for the first 6 to 12 months. But the boring work is the cash cow. It is the most important part. After you make your cash cow work, then you can outsource your social media team, then you can create weird habits, buy cars that you can show off, make YouTube videos of all the shiny things around you that will make you stand out on the internet. But that's not the business, it's entertainment, and entertainment is for people that want to be entertained. Again, real businessmen don't watch these shiny object videos because there is no actual value in them. But that's the whole magic of how it happens. All of these influencers are creating their internet persona only after they get rich. For example, look at Alex Hormozy before and after he got rich. He totally changed his appearance for attention. And again, what I'm telling you is that 90% of the interesting stuff they tell you is just a waste of time. There's nothing interesting you can say about any aspect of business. It is all boring work, basically. How to hire people, how to create culture for your company, doing Facebook ads, etc. Does it sound interesting? No. But ain't these the building blocks of any business? Yes, they are. The only thing you need to understand to become successful or similar to these guys is starting any type of business. Easiest ones probably are social media businesses and everything is free for you to start. You just have to spend most of your time or at least 3 to 5 hours doing the boring business without any distractions, without watching these influencers talking about their lifestyle habits. And yet these are lifestyle habits, nothing to do with you creating a business. You will have to figure out your own daily habits if you want to succeed long term anyways. If you can focus on your business for 3 to 5 hours daily in 2023, you will succeed. How you create your habits to be more effective is just pure self-knowledge and self-awareness. You really cannot copy that from anyone else. Someone likes to eat breakfast, someone doesn't, someone takes cold showers, someone doesn't. There are thousands of variables that can work for you, but will not work for other people. That's actually the only hard part you have to figure out yourself. But luckily we live in the best and easiest century to get rich without working 16-hour days. On the other hand, if you can actually work 12 to 16 hours, you will get there 3 to 4 times faster than a guy doing 4-hour work days. Simple math. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Press thumbs up so I can crack the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching.